Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily do object removal in Davinci Resolve. Now, as you can see in this particular clip here, I have a washing line in my backyard which I have forgotten to remove while doing my video. This is a perfect example of where you can use object removal in Davinci Resolve. So to use it, simply click on your actual clip in the timeline, then go to the normal color page at the bottom. So we have our node, make sure the node is selected, of course. And then we need to go into right click and do add a serial node. Now go to effects on the top right and do a search, and we're looking for object removal. Now just drag on that object removal effect onto the second node. Now the idea is we're going to create a mask to draw around the particular offending object, which is this line here. Now to do that, click where the little window icon is on the toolbar at the bottom. And then pick the best tool for the job, which is generally the pen tool at the bottom. Click that, make sure it's selected, and then it's a case of clicking and actually drawing some points just around the particular object, all the way around, and you've covered it. And then join back on the starting dot. So that is going to be the actual mask. And you can see we have on the second node the little black area, which is the object that's going to be masked out. And now we actually have to do the object removal. Now it kind of depends on your clip. If your clip has a lot of motion, then you're going to have to do tracking in order to make sure the selection stays with the appropriate object. Now to do that, click on where it's got the tracking icon on the right, just next to where it's got window. And then click the backwards and forwards arrow to do the tracking left and right. And it's going to go off. You can see on the window up here where it's actually keeping a track of the object. Now in this particular scene, the actual camera is not moving because it's fixed to a tripod. So it's actually not really strictly necessary to do tracking, but I just wanted to show you how to do it if you have an object that's actually moving. If you don't actually have an object that's moving like I've got here, you can actually click where it says assume no motion. Click that, and it's basically a very fast way of being able to just draw the mask around a particular object. And then it's just a case of clicking build clean plate. And as you do that, you can see you actually have the object pretty much almost disappeared. And then go back to the editing page, and hey presto, the object has pretty much completely vanished from the shot. And of course, we actually play the clip, we no longer have the object.